How to earn free coins in FC Mobile. So to earn free coins in FC Mobile, you can do some daily and weekly quests. So log in daily to complete objectives and claim the coin rewards. Then you can also do some live events and some challenge modes. So you can participate in rotating events and challenge modes which offer coins rewards. You can also do some market trading, so just buy and sell players and items on the in-game market to make a profit. You can also get some free packs and ads, so if you open free packs and watch some ads, you can get coin rewards. You can also then get some from the Star Pass. So if you check the Star Pass, you can also get some free reward tiers, including coins. You can also do some exchange features, like utilizing the coin exchange feature and the exchange players for coins. And you can also redeem codes, and then you can also try doing some trivia quizzes and participating in them for a chance to earn gems, which can be used to acquire coins or the packs itself. And that's how you can earn free coins in FC Mobile.